So this is how you can make a carousel post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Instagram. Today, you will learn how to make a carousel post on your account. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, let's start by opening Instagram. And you will be put to your homepage. So, just simply tap on your plus button at the bottom of the screen. Once you're here, just find the photos that you want and simply tap on those two squares next to the camera icon. And now you can select multiple photos at once. So just simply tap on the photos you want to post into a carousel. Let's say 4 photos. And then tap on next at the top right corner of the screen. Once you do, you can edit the photos right here. So you can simply tap on one of them to edit only one of them, or just find something here and it will edit all of them. Once you're done, just simply tap on next, and here you can share the post. So maybe add a caption, hello, and that's pretty much it. That is how you can post a carousel on Instagram. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.